Alright, about to show you what is really scary when you're living in RVs. This guy looks halfway decent, right? You can see what's rolling our way. It looks really bright on this phone, but that shit is pitch black. And it is enveloping us. Ooh. We're at the dog park so Paco can get one more good poop in before this stuff hits. This is gonna be a fun night. Love Peace and Bacon Grease, y'all. Bacon. Ooh, so the whole park just had the tornado sirens go off, so we're all down hiding in the bathroom. Hey, look, there's Paco.
I'm not actually on the toilet, I'm just sitting on the toilet.
We'll see. It's supposed to go on for a few minutes. I'm gonna keep an eye on things, and hopefully Paco's not an asshole in case somebody needs to come in here. All right. See what happens. Love Peace and Bacon Grease, y'all. Bacon.